Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Sapnewski, and thank you so much for popping by my channel. So today, I'm going to be telling you guys about a wide-angle lens that I got for my phone camera. I have to say, I am completely impressed with the Tycka lens. There was just a lot of little extras that came with it that I really didn't even know was going to be in the package. First of all, the carrying case that it comes in. So this thing is like a good, solid, decent carrying case. It's a hard shell case, and when you crack it open, the lens and the holder are going to be set into a molded foam. That's a really decent foam. So if you would just drop this thing from like a couple of stories, I fully expect that the lens and the lens holder would completely survive that impact, which is pretty impressive. So this is the lens. This is the wide angle lens. So you guys can see it's like an actual piece of gear. It feels like an actual lens that would go on a camera. And all you need to do to get this guy on your phone camera is screw off the back lens cap and just put it right onto the clip. Boom. Done. And then you just clip it onto your phone wherever your camera is on your phone, and this is going to allow you to give you a wider angle of view for your video. Okay, so I want to let you know, a few years ago I purchased something very similar to this on Amazon for 20-something bucks. It was like a selection of lenses that you could clip onto your phone camera. They were just little dot lenses. You just screw it on and sort of match it up. Came with wide angle lens, macro, fisheye. You know, it was just like a little selection of lenses that was, to me, 20 bucks seemed to be expensive for those little lenses. They didn't come in as a nice carrying case, and the image quality that you got out of those lenses were really, really not great at all. This lens is totally different than those lenses. So if you in the past have purchased a lens kit like that and just were utterly unimpressed with the quality from those lenses, I just want to let you know this Tycka lens is completely different than that. The lens is coated, so it's going to cut back on any sun glare, on scratching. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this onto my phone so that you can see, you know, what a big difference it's going to make. But I just wanted to show you guys the lens cap. Like, this is a full-on lens cap, something that would go on a lens for a camera. Okay, so you guys always know I rock the Filmic Pro, so we have Filmic Pro launched right now, and what we want to do is just show you how much of the background is going to be in the field of vision when the lens is not on the camera. Now let's go ahead and get it on. Make sure it's not vignetting here. I have to use my monitor. Boom. Okay, so this is with the lens. See how much of the background? I mean, you can see my whole entire window. You can see underneath my desk, which is a disaster area. I probably shouldn't have used that. So I did use the lens while I was out and about today, so let's go ahead and roll some of that video. So I am out at Stevens State Park in beautiful New Jersey, and I am going to review this Tycka lens. Well, I'm not sure if it's Tycka or Tycka. Anyway, it's a wide-angle lens that you can put on your iPhone, and I don't know if you guys can see the mosquitoes, but they are absolutely insane. And I've already loaded myself up with bug spray, but still I'm under attack. I mean, this is just insane how bad the mosquitoes are here. Anyway, getting back to the Tycka lens. This little wide-angle lens that you can pop right on your iPhone or any other smartphone cost me a whopping $6. Well, it was like $5 and change. And to me, it's an unbelievable buy. So right now I'm using the Filmic Pro app, and I'm actually just doing this with a selfie stick, and I'm utilizing the stabilize option within the app, so it should look relatively smooth. So it really is gorgeous here in New Jersey. After all, we are the Garden State. I also wanted to review a Lavalier microphone. It just wasn't working out. I bought the dongle that I needed in order to get this into my iPhone, but it It was making like this high-pitched squeal. I don't know why it wouldn't work, but it just wouldn't. So I'll have to do a little research and figure out what the heck went wrong with that. I mean, you guys, this is crazy. These mosquitoes, I mean, if I could just show you. And I'm loaded with bug spray. I mean, I just don't understand. I mean, come get me. So it really is beautiful here, with the exception of these mosquitoes. It's ridiculous. My kidneys are probably gonna shut down because I have so much bug spray on me. It's wonderful, really wonderful. You know, for $6, I really think that this wide angle lens is a total deal. I recommend at least purchasing a few of these lenses just to have them on hand. Keep one in your desk drawer, keep one in your book bag, keep one in your glove compartment. And if you ever want to stop somewhere and get some really great footage, you can. But on top of being a wide angle lens, it is also a macro lens. So if you wanted to take some very up close pictures of something with your iPhone or your other smartphone, I swallowed a mosquito. May he burn in the acids of my stomach. So I really wanted to show you the difference of having a wide angle lens on your phone lens compared to not utilizing a wide angle lens. So what I'm gonna do right now is take the lens off the camera so that you can see the difference and how much more of my environment is going to be captured in the frame. Okay, so right now, lens is on, boom, and right now, lens is off. So you can see how seriously cropped the image became. It's really beautiful here. Let's go up by the river, actually, without the lens. With the lens, without the lens. I mean, I have to tell you, these mosquitoes are insane. I have to just get out of here. You guys, I have to just absolutely bail on this situation because even though I'm loaded with bug spray, I feel like I'm still being eaten alive. This is not right here. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me at my Stevens State Park walk where I've been attacked by the mosquitoes. Hopefully, I don't come down with any weird insect-borne virus. And you know what I'm gonna say. Until next time, wear your sunblock and your bug spray. So is it Tycka or Tycka? I'm not sure. However you pronounce the name, I have to say I'm utterly impressed with this lens. To just have this piece of gear sitting in your glove compartment or in your book bag, your locker, your purse, your office drawer, anywhere that you want to store it, it's really not going to take up that much room. And should something come about where you want to capture it in video, maybe something exciting is happening or somebody's yelling at somebody and you want to get the whole thing on video and you want to capture everybody who's involved, throwing on this wide angle lens, it's going to show a lot more of the surroundings and the environment. Sometimes, you know, it's just about convenience. So if you want to go out and vlog, but you don't want to drag your camera out with your lens and your microphone and your selfie stick or your tripod or whatever it is that you put your gorilla pod, whatever it is that you put your camera on when you're using it to vlog. Sometimes that thing is heavy and you just don't feel like dealing with it. Using your phone along with Filmic Pro and the wide angle lens like the Tycka, it's just going to be super easy, super convenient, super light to carry. And sometimes, you know, you just cannot put a price on convenience. So I'm keeping the Tycka lens. I 100% recommend that you guys get one for yourselves just to have it in your gear collection should you ever need it. Well, guys, I thank you for checking out my video. And until next time, you know what I'm going to say? wear your sunblock.